So one thing about me is I love racing in pretty much any form, but the absolute cake, the creme de la creme is the Isle of Man TT. It is my like dream, I don't know, trip, to go there for a week and watch people rip around on roads that are probably rated for 20, 30 miles an hour and do it at 130 average, 200 mile an hour, like speed traps, and they make this noise. Now, look, obviously, absolutely love it. And that guy right there, Michael Dunlop, is now the absolute king of the mountain with 27 TT wins. That's super bikes, super sport, every class that they run. He has 27 overall wins, the absolute best of the best. And that's insane when you think about it. I think it's been run since 1907, 1904, whatever it is. Comment down below. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember that part, but the just the sheer balls you have to do this. These are full out on a bike where uh these roads are not meant for this. And it's there is no room for mistakes. As you see right there. It is road tree. There is no runoff, there is no gravel traps, something you can slide onto. No, this is if you crash, you are crashing into a tree, a house, a brick wall, just launching yourself off of a mountain, and it's insanely dangerous. Like I think the average is every year 2 or 3 people die. Correct me if I'm wrong on that too. But it's one of those things that like if you watch any of the documentaries about this stuff or anything like that, the people who do this love it. There is no no logical reason why you think, hey, I should go do this because like, the prize pool is like $25,000 per race. And that's for like the super bike veteran class, the absolute nuts race. 25 grand. It's nothing. Like the reason that these guys are doing this is because they absolutely love it. It's a it's a passion thing. You get on this road and I think I remember I watched something once and it's like if you go and do this, you don't go and race it. Like the first year, you basically just go and learn. And the second year, you get a little faster. And the third year, you get a little faster after that. Fourth year, you're a little faster after that. Like this isn't a race that you just go and do. This is a race where you actually have to take the time to learn because you're doing everything full out. Absolutely, from the moment you get started to the moment you're middle of the lap, it's it's balls to the wall. Uh, it's one of those things that I just absolutely love, and it's to watch it is insane. It's 37.73 miles a loop, 1907. I was correct, and that's 137 miles an hour average for 40 miles, and it's on like I said, just country roads. Go to your town, go to the most back road you possibly can find, 2 lane, trees on the outside, drive it at 60 and then think, "Oh shit, I have to double this if not even a little more and on a motorcycle?" It's insane. I it's the TT is incredible to me. And I know a lot of people hate it because it is very dangerous. There are people who die at this. And it's the people like the families who go, obviously it's you never want to see somebody die, you never want to see that, but the people who go and the people who race this know, like you're accepting the danger because you absolutely love it. It's not for money. It's not for, brag. Well, it is for bragging rights and fame within a small community of people. But I don't know. It's to me, this is incredible. It's one of the favorite things ever, and that's my dream trip. So I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Do you watch it? Do you like it? Have you ever seen it before? Or are you just getting into it or just hearing about it now? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.